Okie dokie. Goal. First person, dark, gritty RPG with the best, most complex, compelling enemies in any game ever. Just learning Unreal at this point, and then I'm learning C++ in my free time. Starting basically yesterday and today. Alright, so now we need to, I think, just add a bandage. I'm pretty sure we can equip items now, so we can pick up an item. Look down to see the hand, we can actually... Oh. What happened there? Okay, don't remember why that doesn't work. Okay, I don't know what happened there. We will find out though. I thought my last commit was cleanup. Okay. So when we drop items, what? Yo? Wait, this is on drag. Shouldn't it invalidate the item? Bro, where's my logic going? Oh, okay, this is the wrong one. Alright, that'll be why. Alright, hold on. Okay. I mean, it looks like things are working. Maybe not. Alright, try again. So last time I added functionality, so when I drag an item from the equipped slot, it disappeared. Because you're putting it away, you're no longer holding it. Let me go into the slot really quick and see what happens when I drop an item. Because I don't know if I lost logic again. Like, I swear I had some stuff get overwritten yesterday. Okay. So, we drop an item. We drop an item to the equip slot. We save it. We update the item, the inventory slot, so we see it there. That works. And then if it's equipable, we want to spawn an actor from its class and spawn it somewhere. And then we want to save that. And attach it. Okay, so this part doesn't matter. I mean, it could be this way, it could be that way. Doesn't really matter. Alright, well, you know, I'll do it this way, it's fine. I want to then equip that object by attaching it to the item socket in the right hand. Let's add a breakpoint to make sure that this is working. I don't know why it wouldn't be. Oh, wait, okay. Oh, alright, so that works. I don't know why it's also dropping there. So there should be logic that... Alright. So if we don't do that anymore, we can drop it. We can equip that. Oh, but right now it's not equipping. I don't know why though. It has to do with the item itself, I think, for some reason. What if we just... I don't remember why I added the sphere. I'm just gonna... I haven't done anything, right? Not really. I can kill these changes if I don't need them. Just gonna delete this and then use that and then see what happens. So now I should be able to pick this up. Yes. I can attach it and I hold it. But it's also dropping it for some reason, and I don't know why that is. So I need to find the inventory and see if I accidentally deleted something there. Fantastic. Inventory, implementation, inventory. drop on drop. In this, I thought this was working, but maybe I ignored it for a while. Let me first just make sure that all the items, I can equip all of them. So we'll get you. Kill this guy real quick. I can store items, I can take them out, but then if I cancel, they still stay. They don't get invalidated or lost or bugged out. Pick up all the items I want. Another one. I can equip it. And you'll see that I can equip it. I can equip another. Cool. That doesn't do anything because there's already an item in my hand. I can equip all of them. Okay, so equipping all of them works. Just gonna save these. I guess I should probably... I'm gonna use branches in my own thing now. So we're gonna do... I don't know, we're just gonna call it fixing equip for now. And then bring them. Cool. Alright, so this works now. The dropping doesn't still. Don't know why. Don't need this guy anymore. So why is this one so small? Is it just because I wanted it to be small? No? Why is the scale... Okay. I don't know why these ones are so small. These are like custom. Alright, all the items are maximum size. Which is too big. Same for this too. I mean, isn't that how big it... Yeah. Okay. And then I'll just go... to the main item, which they all inherit from. And the static mesh is... Okay. Doesn't that mean that these are too big? No? Why are they so big? Oh, okay, so it was... Alright, that's actually how it's supposed to be then. But they all should be inheriting from this master item, so... I guess not because they're their own little instances, so... Maybe not. Is that right? I can adjust the scale of that without... adjusting the other ones? I guess so. Yeah, I guess because it inherits upon becoming a child. But I would think that I could change the master and the children would update. But maybe not. I think that's irrelevant for now. It's fine. They're just big items. So I can pick this guy up and equip it. And it's fucking giant. I'm like, holy shit. Wow. Dude, swinging this down. Oh, oh, I forgot that there's logic like that. I have it so that, see, because it inherits some things. Because in the master item, when I use it, it jumps. So that is being inherited by the others, but the scale is not. So the logic gets inherited, but not the scale. I guess maybe, I don't know. It's like child item. Okay. Oh wait, I don't think I even need that. I don't think I use that. Or create object from class, maybe? Because I'm spawning actor. I don't think I need that in my struct. Try again. Ooh, where? What is not compiling? Oh, God. That's fine. We'll leave it for now. I'm not using it. Because I figured out a different solution. Alright, but still, the problem right now, I can equip items. Let's just undo this. I don't care about the breakpoint anymore. I can equip items. I can put them in my inventory. I can equip them. Oh wait, equipping it is actually fine right now. It's not dropping it. But some... Wait, it's working right now. Okay. Where? But that is being saved. That's being saved right here. Equipped item object. It's being saved in the character. Oh wait, is it not? Maybe it isn't. Wait, yeah it is. It's being saved here. And that's in the character, so it should be valid. So, yeah, because I was jumping, so. Equip it. Yeah, I mean, it's valid. Some other ones weren't though, maybe? This one? And then I could technically equip it to duplicate it now. Oh, what happened there? Okay. Oh, because when I do that, I picked it up. Okay, shouldn't be able to pick up the one that I'm holding. Okay. Okay. Unless, so we can add a check in the character. And it is, this is fine for now. So we'll just do, what did I even change? I mean, it's really just cleanup. That's all that was. But if we go to where we interact with the items, so we'll say if it's a hit, if it implements, we don't want that. So we'll say first, so we'll say we want this to, all right, this needs to be moved over. We want to make sure that the item I'm holding in my hand, or the item that I'm looking at is not the item that I'm holding in my hand. So we'll say only trigger that logic when we're looking at an item that is not the one in my hand, and it's the object. So we'll do get the inventory, get equipped object, and that item object, and that's the one that we're actually holding. And we'll check to see if that equals, or if that is that the one? If it is, we don't want to do anything. If it's not, then we want to do stuff. So now I should be able to pick up items. I can still pick up all sorts of items. I actually have never, I don't think I've ever, dude. Dude, that was some insane RNG. It's 50% chance for the dodge to trigger. Cool. Oh, that's the highlight though, so I shouldn't be able to interact with them either. So one, we want to make sure that that we don't highlight them, but we also want to make sure that we can't interact with them. So we'll say first, make sure that it is not same condition as earlier. I want to make sure that it is not. this. Oh wait, what? Why did that happen there? I just wanted an extra thing. Okay, whatever. I don't know why it's doing that. Does it implement the interface? So can we interact with it? If we can, interact with it. And then this would make the most sense if it was just like this, I think. And then I'll just move that like that. That's cool. Excuse me. So make sure that it is not the item that we're holding. Because if it is, we don't want to do anything. Cool. Let's check the frames too. Cool. No frame drops when I'm picking up items. Alright. There is a 1 frame drop when I'm spawning an item, but interesting. Can't do that. I can equip these while I'm holding an item. Oh, that one was kind of bugging out a little. Just gonna try and pick them up all again and see what happens. Oh yeah, weren't they big? And then I picked them and then the scale went down? No, never mind. They're normal, I think. Right? Pick up a big ass pole, put it down, pick up a big ass pole, equip it, put it down, big ass pole. Cool. I mean, alright. I mean, it seems like it works. I mean, this is inheriting from the main item. So I'm jumping whenever I'm clicking. I can't even see these items, so I can't interact with them. All of these inherit logic from that, so I can use them. Cool. It's not valid. Where is this? Let's do... Oh, well, duh, because if I'm doing it and it's not... So the point is, it's not being set. Shouldn't, in the slot, it gets invalidated? Yeah, it should. We need to do that. Need to check that. So we'll do on drag detected. When dragging... Excuse me. When dragging the last item out of the slot, I need to... So where is it already? If full dragging from, then we destroy the actor. Okay, we add that item to be the dragged one that we see. So when we drag it, it moves. It is now being dragged around. We will blank out the slot that it had before. Cool. But I also need to... The point here was invalidating it. Well, it's already invalidated. So do I want to do that upon here? I guess so, probably. Yeah, I think so. So we'll do, I don't reference it anywhere here. Cool. We'll move all this. And first I need to destroy it. I can't invalidate it and then destroy it because there's nothing to destroy. So then we'll do set equipped item object, and this will invalidate it. Let's make sure this works really quick. Well, I need to get in the best practice of just commenting stuff as I do it, so that if I had to stop and leave right now, I know exactly why I put this here. Need to get better. Wait, what? Why is this? Oh, it's not compiled. Why can't I comment? Yo? Something missing? Node comment. Node comment. Oh, maybe I have to save it? So if I did that? Okay, I don't know why. I just had to save, I guess. Alright. Okay. And it gets invalidated here, so we don't really need to check, but I mean, I guess we can check to see if it's valid just in case. I mean, seems like that's what people do. So how else would it get there? It seems like that's the only way it gets there. I'm not gonna add unnecessary logic. It'll error out if that's an issue. I'm not gonna add stuff if I don't need to. Occam's razor. So if I do that, equip it, and then take it away, and then click, nothing happens. No errors or anything. Sick. I don't know what was happening earlier with the level stuff. Like when I was trying to, it was with this item, wasn't it? No? This is a bandage, so it doesn't have that logic. It has different logic. I mean, it seems like it's fixed. So we'll do clean wrap up. So it is invalidated equipped item upon de-equipping it. What else? I guess that's it. That's kind of it. I still don't need this. Can I find references for that? I guess I can go into the item slot and then... Maybe it's in the item itself? No, I guess it wouldn't be. Yeah, cause see, I'm not using... Alright, so I'm going to now try and remove that because I don't think I used that anywhere. I'm gonna remove it and then see what happens. Save all. Compile. Compile. Bump, bump, bump. Where? Here. Okay. So, what does that mean? It means we don't have this anymore. It means we need to set the array, split the item, and to put the index there. I don't really want to do it like that. It's kind of sketchy. I'm just gonna do I mean, I guess it's fine. Trying to see what the easiest way of replacing this is, if there is one. I guess there's not. It's not a big deal. So, got the index, the name. We want name to be that. We want the stack count. We want the icon. Stackable, or the type of item. We don't use that yet. The stackable. The class. Max stack count too. Oops. Oh, I haven't even been using is equipable. Yeah, I mean, I should pass it that. I shouldn't undo that. So the whole point here is this should be fine now. Swap this guy in. And same thing here. This will be even easier. Held item, the name, stack count, what we want it to look like, the type it is it an armor, is it a weapon, what is it, the class. Equipable as well, I don't know why I wasn't setting that before, but may as well keep all the properties, we don't want to change them. Close, only one error now should be, yes. Cool, or a warning rather. This should be commented. I don't know why I haven't. Wow, this is before I did any of the, before I even knew that you could do the little tiny comments. Well, I really haven't touched this in a while. That is what she said. Alright. Find it. We'll do name of the item, how many we want, icon, the type, what it is it stackable, what's the max count? The max count is the max count. We're doing the, yeah, we're just keeping it. We're not changing what the max count is. And then it's still equipable. Okay, so we are updating dragged item to, or we are reducing stack of, or need to reduce stack items by 1 because only dragging 1. Cool. This is same thing. This is a fucking annoying song. I don't know why they chose that voice. Same logic here. These are cool, and I'm already saying what I'm doing. Cool. Make sure this still works. Oh, good. Where are the errors? Oh, goody. No, we don't need to do that. Why was I setting it this way? Because I was trying to store... okay, I'll say that in a second. Each one of these, that's not needed. Or, oh, that's just in the... It should just be the master where I removed that. I think we're good now. Which item did I update? I guess it was master, wasn't it? Yeah. I can equip it. I can jump because that's the logic inside the item. I can remove it. Fuck a boy up when I'm doing it. Pick up the items and they're accurate when I'm looking. They're also accurate when I look. Oh my god, it's missing that logic too? There's no way. I swear to god I saved it. I need to back this up. I don't know if it got compressed or if I just didn't. I don't know what happened, but there's logic right here. Oh wait, it's literally... Oh, this is the problem. Is valid, I'm highlighting. Wait, that's actually a fine check though. So the point is... Oh, the problem is... Alright, hold on. So we get a hit. Does it hit? If it hits... I only care about it if it's not the current item. Cool. Does it implement the interface? Cool, we can do stuff. If it does not... I need to unhighlight the currently highlighted actor. Oh wait. If it's not... Wait, this logic should be capturing that though. I look at something and I get a hit. Oh wait, why wasn't it working there? What? Was I just tripping? Maybe... Oh, that might have been... So if I equip it and then I look... Oh, that's the problem. So I was looking at... Oh, it's just it's an edge case bug. Okay. Okay, the problem is that we're looking at the item. Or we get a hit when we look at something. Okay, so it hits. It is not the item we're looking at. It implements the interface. And then whatever, we highlight it. Problem though is here. We need to check again that it is not the interface. So we need to do... So this is a real edge case, actually. I have to think about this for a sec. So the problem is I have an item equipped, it's here, and I look at something, and then I look down at my item, and that first item stays held, because I'm still looking at an item that's highlightable. The problem is it's the current item. It's the equipped item. I shouldn't be able to... It's not registering that I'm missing now. It's thinking that I'm looking at something else that's highlightable. And that's the problem. Wow, I'm surprised I never tested that case actually, because I could have two items, and if they're both together, and I look at one and then I look at the other, it doesn't unhighlight the first. So we need to say... It does implement it. Am I not controlling for that here? I mean, I guess I'm not, but... So we say, it implements it, yes. We're not looking at the... highlighted at the same one as before. So invalidate the old one. The problem is that we're getting to highlight it still. So we haven't unhighlighted the old one, or the old one. Don't want that, that's terrible. Pausing on the music for now. So we're getting a hit. It implements the interface. We're looking at one. And compared to the last tick, we're still looking at it. So we keep it highlighted. Well, actually, I guess we only want to highlight new ones, maybe. Don't we only want to highlight something once? Because it's currently, I'm pretty sure this just keeps on fucking going. And I keep on highlighting. Yeah, it just keeps highlighting it over and over. That's a waste of logic. It's a waste. Okay. So what if I just don't do that? What happens? Oh. Oh wait, what? Where did my character go? Why did that do that? So we'll do... Yo, what the fuck is going on? Oh my fucking god, I hate this. Fixing highlight issue. And we'll do... looking at a highlightable. Looking at the equipped item after hiding. Okay. Let me check to make sure this is totally true so I can pick this up. So I can... And look at this guy, look down at mine. I need to do it a different way. Okay, so that's what it's doing. So for now, we'll keep this going. I guess I need to check if it's highlighted. Hmm. But then it should be the second I look away, if it's valid, or when I look away, unhighlight it, and then invalidate this, I think. Current highlighted actor. Still does that. No, I don't think I want to invalidate it. I think I still want to save it. So I can check. Okay, too slow, but I'm learning, whatever. So we got a hit. It is not the equipped item. It implements. We weren't looking at our, current highlighted actor. That is saved. That is saved after. This shouldn't be named that because it's not actually highlighted, but current highlight, whatever, it's fine. Is it the same? Highlighted again. This will be fixed. I don't need that right now, but if I remove it, it'll bug out. If it's not, then is this guy valid? If he is, unhighlight him. And the master item has that logic. That works for all of them. Unhighlight it. Save the new guy, and then highlight the new guy. So we'll do. I'm just gonna do prints, I guess, for now. Print. Highlighting same. Highlighting same. Highlighting new. Highlighting same. Highlighting new for a second. Okay, yo, can we not? Excuse me. So we're highlighting same. Still highlighting same. But then I missed. So highlighting same. Hold on. Oh, the problem is it's highlighted. It didn't get unhighlighted. So it's not still getting highlighted. It's that when we highlight the same, there's a check that I'm not missing. If it's true, so if we're, wait, this is so much easier. Are you oh my, okay. I think this is the fix. We want to see. So if I'm looking at something and I'm highlighting it, cool, it's been highlighted. And it's the same guy as the last tick, so he's still staying highlighted. But then when I look at a different item, if that item is the equipped item, then it doesn't continue and then unhighlight them. It just stops. There's no, it just stops the logic here. So I could add a condition here. If it's not, and it's new, we do other stuff, but I don't want to do anything. None of this shit if it's the new item. So we're just gonna unhighlight the current guy. Unhighlight if he's valid. And if he's not valid, we don't give a shit. AKA, if we're not currently highlighting something, then there's nothing to unhighlight. If we are, then we need to unhighlight it. This should be the fix. Nice. Cool. If looking at the equipped item after another item needs to unhighlight the other item. Looking at the equipped item should unhighlight other items, just like looking at another item, or just like looking at. Okay. Don't need this. Don't need this. Cool. I do need to change the name of this item though, because this item's name is trash. Yo? Last highlighted item. Or we'll say, yeah, because we're only, no, last highlighted actor. Okay. That works. Alright, fixed. Fixed highlight bug. Fixed bug. Had to unhighlight the last highlighted actor when looking at the equipped item. If there is an if valid after looking at equipped item. Cool. And now to optimize this, because it continually does this. So I should check is highlighted. Oh, so we'll just say if it's not highlighted, highlighted. That's actually easy enough. So we can just do in the master item. We can do is this actor highlighted. Okay. So, if he's not highlighted, highlighted him. Or if he's not highlighted, highlight him. And if he is, unhighlight that motherfucker. And then we probably have to do that for the enemy 2, which is in the AI things, the characters, and the guy. Highlight, hello? I go up. I don't know where it is. Highlight this actor. Oh! I thought it had it? No? Maybe not? I thought that happened when... Did I turn that off? Yo. Is it a bug? No, it's just full randomness, man. 7 in a row. Okay, so what is being called there? Because this is the item, or this is the enemy. Right? Yeah, this is him. Like, I'm not tripping. Interaction. Oh, wait. What? Okay, I don't know why that doesn't just find the existing one. I guess you can do it in multiple places, maybe? You can have multiple copies? So, we'll do another. We'll do... Is this actor highlighted? Is. So I want it to be... At least... Like, I want it to make sense. So we want it... 1, he's dead. If he's not dead, we shouldn't give a shit. 2. Only highlight him if he's not, and if he already is, don't. So 1 would need to be dead. And 2 would need to be already unhighlighted. Cool. That's in here too. And then I should be able to remove this. Oh, but it would still be implementing. Fuck. I don't want to have to get that every time, do I? That's fine. I guess it's just checking over and over. Because it would be checking over and over regardless. And I don't want to save that value is the last highlighted in here. Yeah, it's fine. This is close enough, so it's at least not trying to... Alright, shouldn't be any bugs now. Boom, boom. Cool. Nothing, nothing. Highlights. Highlights. Cool. Yo. Now, I can kill a guy. Take his items. Fuck! Why are they not equipable? I can drop it. Oh, let's see. I think I'm setting the properties of them in I am. Pretty sure I am. That might not be the best way of doing that. Spawn items. This is old behavior. Don't care about this anymore. I wish... is there a way to purge the variables that I don't... Fuck. That probably makes the most sense. We got V home location. Don't need that. Got roam location. Initial rotation. Like, don't need any of this shit. Because before I had to manually set all these because we didn't have the AI going. Anything else? Dying and dead. We care about that. Is that it? Looks like it. Okay, so we'll say removed old AI behaviors. And where are the items that get spawned upon begin play? Inventory stuff. On overlap, if the inventory is closed, I don't know what that means right now. I'm gonna do give droppable items. That's why. Okay. So spawn enemy items. This is triggered upon begin play, which is somewhere. It needs to be. Okay. So we'll do, instead of this, we're gonna do begin play. Or make it like that so I can find it. This is done. These are done. Okay, so get the items. Read. So there's a table that he has, and in this table, there are items. And then we'll spawn 3 items. How many items to spawn? Let's see. How items to spawn? Dropped item quantity. Move this over. For now, 1, this is an integer. And 2, we're doing 3 of them. And then we'll do minus. Just do -1 for now, which is fine. I mean, doesn't matter, it's fine. That's how many items we want. Get them. And to 3 times. We get a random integer. And we get that row that's random. So we get a random item in the table. And then if the item is blank, some random one, then we update that one. So the problem sounds like it is this table. So we'll search table, item list. Pump, pump, pump. That is why. It's because I had to manually put these motherfuckers in. That is no good. Alright, well, in the meantime, I'll make them equipable, because that's a new thing. So now I should be able to kill them. Highlight items while I'm doing it, and they turn on and off. Good, frames are still cool. I can pick up all these items. I can split them different ways. I can take an item from him and equip it. I just picked up a sword from him. I just picked up his fucking... I cut off his head, and his head appeared as an item in his inventory. And now I can throw it by triggering the logic. I would just have to implement logic to actually cut off his head and turn it into an item. Or basically, I play an animation, and then when I do that, it basically swaps his mesh out. It animates his mesh to be where he is. Oh, it just swaps the skeletal mesh to headless mesh, and then adds an item to his inventory, and that item is his head, and it has the mesh that is his head. So I would need to actually go into Blender, cut the part of his head, save that as a skeletal mesh, or a static mesh, sorry, and then attach it to this item, and then boom, I have his head, and then I can throw it. And then another enemy's coming, I can throw it at it, I'm good to go. These are still unstackable. I can equip an item while I'm in a chest. I can unequip it. I can drop it. Cool. I'm still not sure what was happening earlier when I was dropping items here, and it was not dropping on the floor. There was a reason for that. I should have archived that. I wish I did. Let's see if I did. Is health in yet? No. Convert knife into usable item. So I'll just get an item, call it knife, equip it, and then the logic will execute my character's attack. And then I would have different animations that would play. So there'd be logic, there'd be a component in the character that is an attack thing, and there would be attack logic. And then depending on what the item is, it would run through a list of what the items are. And, oh, I don't have a dagger. It's not a sword. Oh, it's an axe. Go into the logic for the, or do everything for the attack, except, or I guess it would just be, excuse me, play the axe attack swing, because that's going to be different than the sword swing, which is going to be different from the dagger stab, which is going to be different from the club, all those. And then after, all the logic is the same. So the hit logic, the damage, all that shit, the same. It would just have a variable tied to the axe that it gets, so it does the axe damage. Cool. That'll be cool. That'll be tomorrow. So, cool. I have bug fixed this. So we'll say, enemy items are equipable, or enemy dropped can equip dropped enemy items. Had to update the data table that spawns enemy items because those are hard coded. Fix. So we'll do find solution to hard coding the AI enemies item dropping data table. Auto populate. Auto populate or drop downs for quick iteration, quick updates. Okay. Save it all. Cool. Updated to do. Go to master. Merge. Nice. Oh, nice. And those all get inherited here. You can delete this guy. And now within master, we've got, or the main branch rather, we've got to do all the shit saved. Nice. Let's go. Okay, that's it for today.